Why your CPM exploded after you hit 3K a day. So that's a good mark when you see that actually how easy it was to get to 3K a day. It will be way harder to get to like the 10K mark if there is something up internally on your Facebook account. So that's what we're going to discuss on today's video. At Moose from Unlimited Scaling, we help multiple thousands of e-com clients scale their business without blocks. So if you know that some blocks will hold you to make your next millions in revenue, in profit those next months, this video is for you. So let's discuss about it. And we share in this channel a lot of tips, tricks on how to get that done. So feel free to check the other videos as well. So CPM spike. What does that mean? So CPM spike doesn't really mean ad fatigue. So a lot of people I see believe that they think that the ads are fatigued, or they think that the creative is already down, is already not performing that well. But actually the reality is something is up at another point. It might be something going up on your back end, and that's what we're gonna try to develop today's video. So Meta begins stricter quality control once you're scaling over 3K per day, because once you're getting to that, let's say 100 orders a day mark, or 3K per day, or something like that, pretty far. It depends on what's your AOV, but I would say anywhere from 50 to 100 orders a day. Facebook will start collecting a lot of data about your business, and the algorithm will ask this question about you, about your business. Do I trust that business, and can I open the gates to let that business scale, or I might not? So that's the question we need to get sorted, because if they don't open for you the gates, then you will not get the results that you want, and you will be forced to cut your creatives after a few weeks or a few days, because you're seeing that you're not getting the first result that you had at the first place, and you might not stay profitable. So sometimes, even if your conversions might be okay, or your CTRs, like you see a lot of people like clicking, going through your website, you're like, okay, that's cool. Sometimes you can have like a page flag, ad account flag, and that will kill all your ads delivery. So it's very important to make sure that you get the best out of your ads performance. So our solution is to actually scan what's going up on your accounts and see what the flags are, clean those flags, and help you get the maximum performance on your ads. So that's one angle. The first one is like really having a scan and sweep the penalties that you have under your account. And the second one is to help your reputation on your Facebook page, and actually sending green flags to Meta that your page is in good standing. So we have multiple tools to do that, and we need to help you increase internal scores. So that's what we need to do internally. So you have a tier internally. I have multiple videos talking about that subject. I'll add you the link somewhere in this video. But basically what happens is you have a score. So you need to visualize like a score, like it starts at bronze, then goes to silver, gold, and platinum. So I'm not talking about the new feature that they add, like you have a score on your ads manager that telling you like how good are your ads, or how good are you using Meta features. No, I'm really talking about more internal stuff, and we can get you access to this so you can see what is your score and improve it so you can get the best out of your ads. So that's the internal scores. On top of this, you have also the feedback score that is for now hidden at the moment we're shooting this video, like June 2025, but in the future it will be available again. So that's something also to look on, so you can get the best out of your ads. And as the situation right now, we see a major improvement when you actually boost it. So that's something you should consider as well, and not just like leave it and like you let too much money on the table, because once you boost it, you try it, and you see the impact that it has on your performance, you might never want to stop it anymore, because this is a good push to help you get the best out of your ads. So if that's something that helped, let me know, guys, what's going on with your CPMs. Chat me on WhatsApp so we can discuss about it and see what's the best solutions for you. And yeah, let me know if that's valuable. And you can have a look to our other videos where we share a lot of value tips on e-coms, on scaling, on how to fix multiple issues. So I'll see you in another video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you.